Hello and welcome to part 3 of this web development course. In this part, we will be talking a little bit about different types of tags. As we spoke about before, an open tag is a greater than and less than symbol, with an element and name in between it, and a closed tag is the same as an open tag, but it has a slash in front of it. The most important thing you should remember is that all open tags should have another closed tag with the same element name. However, this is not the case for some tags. First, like always, let's create the HTML file. I'll call it index. Then we make the HTML open and closing tags. We add the head and title. Let's call it home. And now we will make the open and closed body tags. Now everything inside of the body will be visible on the actual page of the website. Next, we will write the text we want. Now, if we open this file in File Explorer and double click it, we can see it in the Chrome web browser. The text shows up, but it's really plain. To bold our text, we can add a tag around it that'll make it bold. This element will make the text bold. The element that'll make the text bold is called B. Now our text looks better. Let's add another sentence, and let's say I want to make it italic. To do this, we can use the italic tag. It's called I. But you may notice now that even though we've added a line in our text editor, VS Code, it doesn't show on the actual website. This is because HTML doesn't pay attention to new lines. To add a new line, we can use the BR tag. BR stands for break. If we save and refresh, you can see that now. There's a new you can see that now there's a new line in between the two sentences. Now let's add a title to our page in the body. To do this, we can use the H1 tag. We'll call it home. Then we can add a subtitle to our page. H1 is used for headings and H2 is used for subheadings. The numbers after the letter H go all the way down to 6, with each tag having a smaller font than the last. You may have noticed that the title and subtitle are now on a different line, even though we didn't add a break tag between them. This is because the heading tags are automatically classified by HTML to be headings, so they're giving their own lines automatically. Tags that are on their own lines automatically are called block tags, and tags that aren't are called inline tags. Another example of a block tag is the paragraph tag. The paragraph element is called P. Thank you for watching. This has been part 3 of this web design course for teens. Please stay tuned.